Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside the Play Store because that's where System App Update rules live. Tap your profile icon, then choose Settings and Network Preferences. This route controls global behavior. Once there, select Auto Update Apps and pick Don't Auto Update Apps to stop automatic installs entirely. Do this now so apps no longer update without your confirmation. This prevents unexpected data use and preserves battery. It also gives you control over version changes and timing of updates. After disabling global updates, you often want exceptions. Open any app's Play Store page, tap the three-dot menu, and uncheck Enable Auto Update to stop that app from updating while others might remain allowed. Conversely, leave Auto Update enabled for trusted apps. This granular control helps you preserve critical app compatibility and manage data usage. Make sure to repeat for all apps you want to lock. Otherwise, they may still update if global setting changes later. Complete the change by restarting your device and verifying the Play Store's Auto Update Apps entry still reads, Don't Auto Update Apps. If settings revert, clear the Play Store cache and data, then sign back in. This often fixes sync glitches. Also check alternate stores such as Samsung or Amazon and disable their auto-update options so updates don't sneak in. If a specific app still updates, make sure its in-app updater is off or uninstall updates, and reconfigure its.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.